Here's how I try to allocate my time as a student, someone with a part-time job, and starting my own business. This is going to be a two-step video. So this video is going to cover my calendar allocation. So here you'll see my calendar and you'll see it has just says something in Danish with birthday. Then you'll see like the company I'm working at. I have a task, then I have some catch up to do, some tasks, and the yellow ones are some of my lectures. And then later on I'll have, for the discipline group for instance, I have a meeting, some more lectures, and some other stuff, right? Basically I try to divide my calendar time into the topic that I want to spend time on, or the overall kind of activity. So the next video is going to cover which tactical tasks I perform within those allocated time slots. If you found value in this video, please comment calendar down below. Other than that, of course, as always, thank you for listening. Thank you